Alright, so this is our cancellation and rescheduling page. Okay, now we are going to duplicate this and we are going to our last page. Okay, so far this is how our website is. Alright, and what we need to do is that we have to add the pictures here now. Alright, and you must be thinking that why this column is empty. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my elements, I'm gonna go to my frames. Alright, and I am gonna go to grids. I'm gonna choose this. Okay, so this is why I have add the frames here, so we can show the pictures of the class, of the workshop, and of the building also. So somehow my idea is like this, and once you are done, and I will be back finding the pictures. Alright, so hi guys, I'm back already. Alright, so I've already add my images here. Okay, and I have did some changes because if you see in the video, the workshop section is different, right? And it doesn't match with the niche that we are making. So I've did some changes, alright, and this is how my website is. This is how I designed the website. We did together, but the images I have inserted afterwards, alright. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you want to find like images like this or like matches with the programs like French, Spanish, German or Korean, so you can follow this way, okay? So example, just type French then PNG, then whatever you like, you can save it as JPEG or PNG. Now we are gonna link our our page. So our landing pages. Okay, now we are gonna link our page. Our landing page is this one. Alright, link. And our information page is, I think I have to, okay. And I'm gonna go to these three dots. Link. For a link, you can press Ctrl K. Okay, and our information page is 2. Then done. Our product page is, well, we have two product page. One is program, one is workshop. So I'll just choose the number 3 and let's see. Okay, we only can choose one. Alright, so it's okay. Now our enrollment page, let's link. Press the three dots and Control key or go to link section and 5 there. And our cancellation and rescheduling page, again go to more, link, and contact us. Alright, so now as you can see, if the section that we have linked, the page that we have linked, they have an underline in our sections. In landing page we have our underline section, alright, and information. So whichever, after linking the page with the text get underlined. Alright, that's all in this video. And once you like your design website, once you're okay with it, then you can just click publish website. Then you can press continue. Alright, there you go. So you just have to press the name. There you go. So it's our page is working, okay. And once you're done, if you're good to go, or if you want to tweak the designs more, so I'm fine with my result. All right, and if you have any question, then you can ask, you can comment below. All right, and if you're good to go with the website, then you can publish website. All right, so it's that simple for creating a website, for designing a website in Canva. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, valuable, then please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. If you're watching this video until the very end, then please drop a yellow heart or a yellow star. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.